Hey guys, thanks for watching another one of my videos where I'm going to be building this awesome picture frame. So this one's meant to be landscape, so it'll be like this. All the joints along the front have actually been chamfered. I think it adds a little bit more of a finished look to it. You know, and if the joints don't come together perfectly, you don't really notice, and it still looks really nice. So all the mitered corners have been chamfered, but they were perfect. And all these corner details where the blind dovetail came together, they weren't as perfect as the miter joints, but they look pretty good after you glue it all up and it's chamfered. So here's the blind dovetails, and they turned out really good. They did, and it adds a really nice, neat touch to it. The reason that they're on this side again is because it's landscape-wise. There is going to be glass in here, but it's going to be special cut, so I don't have it right now. So this is the way it is. This is the way I've attached the back. So there is two depths of grooving in the picture, or this part of the picture frame. One accepts the glass in the picture, and it's a little bit shallower than the depth of the glass, and this one right here goes right behind it. Angling these screws slightly allows it to compress this in, and these I'm just using wafer head screws. I think they're 1/2 inch. So yeah, definitely stick around and see how I build it. Hey guys, first off, sorry about the audio in my intro. I didn't realize that the frame was hitting the microphone. Anyway, the first thing that we're going to do is make a regular mitered picture frame. If you're not really sure how to do that, you should totally check out my last video on how to make an easy picture frame.
I feel like a shadow. I just want to know, am I insane? I just want to know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out the window. I just want to know, am I insane? I sit in silence. Nobody can hear me, not even when I'm crying. I need someone to save me. I never know which road I'm supposed to take. Every choice I make gives me headache. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow.
So sorry I forgot to record, but once the mitered frame is glued up, go ahead and run a rabbet on all 4 sides.
Am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know.
Alright, so now we're going to put a frame around that mitered frame. And to do that, we're actually going to do blind dovetails in the 4 corners.
Am I insane? Am I insane? I sit in silence. Nobody can see me. Nobody can see me. I wonder, can you hear me? I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, am I insane? I know the way that you think about me, but I don't wanna know the truth. I hear the things that they say about me, but I don't wanna know the truth. Don't you ever wanna run away? Don't you ever wanna walk away? change for you. I would break these walls too. And I would change just for you. And I would change for you. And I would break these walls too. I would change just for you. I can't get you out of my mind. I can't get you out of my mind. I think right now you are sick of talking, and that the fire seemed to fade. And I know we're hanging on to something that so easily could break. Don't you ever wanna run away? Don't you ever wanna walk away? Don't you ever wanna leave this place? 'Cause I need you when the day's gone. And I would change for you. I would break these walls too. And I would change just for you. And I would change for you. And I would break these walls too. I would change just for you. I can't get you out of my...
So once my pins are cut, I'm going to run a groove on all 4 outer boards. And just be careful because you want this groove to be within the bounds of your tails.
I can't get you out of my mind. I can't get you out of my mind. I think right now you are sick of talking, and I know we're hanging on to something. Can't get you out of my mind.
So whenever I cut my rabbets around the mitered picture frame, I left them a little bit thicker than I wanted. That way I could use my shoulder plane to get the perfect fit.
I can't get you out of my mind. 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 Can't get you out of my mind.
So before I do my glue up, I'm going to pre-finish the inside. It's going to make it a lot easier for me. And I'm using a shellac finish here.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too.
So now that my project's set overnight, I'm going to clean it up on all 4 sides. I'm going to apply 1 coat of shellac, 2 to 3 coats of a wipe-on poly. Then I'll lightly brush it with some steel wool and apply some wax.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you,
And you got me too. We can always make it through.
what we do is what we do.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes.
Please like my video if you enjoyed it, and if you haven't already done so, go ahead and join the Cool Kids Club today by hitting my subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.